up.
Wake up, man.
Hold his head, guys. Hold his head.
It was just another Saturday night at the Interstate 35 Border Patrol checkpoint outside Laredo, Texas, until a red truck pulled in. What seemed like a routine stop would end in tragedy and raise questions that still echo today. This is the story of Courtney Trinel Davis, a US citizen caught with undocumented migrants taken into custody and later found dead in a holding cell. You're watching True Patrol, and tonight we break down the full body cam footage and reveal what really happened behind those detention doors.
Hey, put the cigarette out. Take the cigarette.
Where's the cigarette?
Come on.
Yeah, sure. Can you take photos? Yeah. You got your iPad? Yeah. Put out your iPad.
The following is body-worn camera video from an agent involved in that interaction.
Do you have anything else in the tractor? No other personal property in there? Electronics, important religious items, pictures of kids, family members.
I got a lot of mail. A lot of like mail.
Mail. Okay. All right. Take off the sweater. You'll get her back right now. I'm just gonna go through it. That's good. All right. Does a sweatpant have a band on it? Take it out. Still a knife on it? If it doesn't come out, we'll cut it out.
Fortunately, it's just part of the process. We just have people that try to hurt themselves.
That you take out the band on that
We'll come out.
All right, we're gonna have to put it out.
Just pull them to one side for me, please.
Hey, back here!
You, sir?
Yeah,
All right, I'll take that one for you.
All right, you take up the sandals and then take up the socks. Okay, and then the other foot as well.
Put it back on?
Yeah, you can put it back on. So what do you have the ankle monitor on you?
Huh?
Why do you have the ankle monitor on?
It ain't house arrest, but me and my girl got into it, and I ain't supposed to go around that area.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you stand on the wall real quick. I'm gonna do a quick pat down, okay?
Do you have an ID? I'm not seeing one in here.
Yeah, that's right there.
All right. Put your hands on the wall. Separate your feet. More. Separate your feet.
Huh? Not right now. Who do you need to call?
Like my mom.
Your mom? Okay. We'll see. Okay. You're not obligated to a phone call, so we'll see if we have time. Where's your mom at?
At home, I guess.
And okay. And you know the number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll see how things go. And if we have time. I'll let you make a phone call, but it's gonna have to be on speakerphone, okay? All right.
Like what?
What's the process?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little while. That's for sure. We have to make a few phone calls to other agencies and stuff like that. You're going to be in custody at least for the weekend. Okay. We're going to submit your case to the courthouse. Either we are or HSI. And they're going to determine whether it's accepted or declined
What's the name?
for prosecution for the charges for alien smuggling. Okay. So since it's Saturday, the courts aren't open on the weekends and Monday's a holiday. So technically probably Tuesday. Probably not in here, probably at the main station. But yeah, most likely. And then most likely Tuesday morning you'll have a hearing in front of the judge. And I don't really know here if they release you or not. I'm not too sure. So it kind of is still iffy since it's so early in the process. Okay. Someone's gonna come talk to you in a little bit, read you your Miranda rights, all that stuff. Okay. Does that make sense? Do you have any other questions? No. Okay. Do you have any medical conditions or anything? No. Okay. All right. We'll be with you in a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Just let us know when you're ready, and we'll let you call her. Okay.
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
You ready now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it then. Just keep your hands out of your pockets, okay? There's not even a phone in there.
There's a phone right here.
Right here? Okay. Calm down.
You have a talk in front of everybody? We're gonna listen.
Oh, no one's gonna be able to, like, you can't really hear through this, I'll be honest with you.
Oh, wait.
You're gonna wait?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little room or something. I wanna just tell my mom something.
You wanna what?
Just tell her something.
Okay. Well, just remember, it's about 9 o'clock here. Well, it's 8 o'clock here, so she's it's what?
It's the same.
Almost.
Yeah, it's the same. But
Oh, it's the same?
yeah.
Oh. Okay. All right.
You can take the phone in the room and talk in.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Right now.
Damn.
No.
Well, can you talk to her for me?
No. No. Here, let's go back over there, okay? If you're not gonna make the phone call, then... All right. We'll come back and get you in a little bit, all right?
The initial part of this video was recorded during the 2-minute buffer period and does not have audio.
Hey, Jack. God damn it. Come on, pull him up. Get it.
Hold on.
He fucking choking his jacket. Hey, get it.
No, sternum rub, guys. Sternum rub.
Shine plans,
Rub his sternum. Sternum one day. Hard. Hey, come on.
Come on, buddy.
Wake up.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, buddy.
Hey, wake up.
Wake up, man.
Move your...
Why you going by the baby?
Come on. All right, guys.
You guys have a mask? Okay. We have 1 mil. 1 mil subject.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16,
Anybody want to hear this?
19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed.
Yeah, raise this entire...
When patient's chest
Hold
is
his head
bare,
up.
remove the white square package from lid of AED. Tear open the white package across dotted line and remove pads.
16, 19, 20.
Peel one of the white tabs completely from loose plastic. Begin pulling from the tabbed corner.
I'll tell you there on this side where you put.
Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on patient's bare chest, exactly as shown on pad. This pad can be placed on either of the two locations shown on pad. Next, peel the second white pad from the blue plastic.
Hold on, I heard
Firmly place the second pad on the other location exactly and not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Shock not advised. It is now safe to touch the patient. If needed, perform CPR as instructed. Place heel of one hand on center of chest between nipples. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Press the patient's chest down rapidly, 1/3 the depth of chest. Then release. Start CPR. Press, 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 press.
Hold a second.
Press, 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 press.
The death of Courtney Davis shook the Border Patrol community, and his family left without answers. The Webb County Sheriff's Office ruled the death a suicide. The cause? Asphyxiation. But for the public, and for many watching this now, it's more than a case file. It's a moment frozen in time, captured by a body cam meant to ensure accountability. The U.S. Customs and Border Protection released this footage in March 2024 as part of their transparency policy. But as we've seen time and time again, transparency doesn't always mean justice. This was the final chapter in the life of a man who made one dangerous decision. But did he deserve to die alone in a holding cell? If you found this breakdown informative, subscribe to True Patrol. We bring you real stories, real footage, and the raw truth, one body cam at a time.